Another porcelain installation completed by Frank's Hardscape. 24 by 24 Quartz Griss from Hardscape.com. Long walkway that leads up to the pool deck. Did the infinity edge coping on a jacuzzi. Porcelain's getting real popular. Infinity edge coping all the way around the pool. Again, installation from Frank's Hardscapes, material from Hardscape.com. You can reach me at 954-652-9391.